We help businesses grow online and train individuals to build profitable tech careers. One click is all hackers need. Learn to stop them today.
One weak point, and your entire system is exposed.
Think your password is safe? Hackers think otherwise. They don't break in, they trick their way inside.
What is happening? My screen is locked. We can't access anything. It says our files are encrypted.
Your data is moving, but not always to you.
This is how fast hackers take control of your system.
Hackers are evolving daily. It's time you do too.
Web design, cybersecurity, and career growth, all in one place.